Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we'll be making my easy garlic cucumber salad, and I have been obsessed with this easy recipe. It's refreshing, it's garlicky, crunchy, and so delicious. Made with cucumbers, loads of garlic, a little lemon, and some fresh dill. It's super easy to make, and I usually double up the recipe because it's gone in no time. Let me show you how to make this easy recipe. Let's get things started with our cucumbers. We need 1.5 pounds of cucumber. I love these Persian cocktail cucumbers from Costco. They're my favorite for this recipe. And we're not going to peel them or anything. We just need to cut off the ends and then chop the cucumbers into chunks. Drop the cucumbers into a large mixing bowl. And we need a couple tablespoons of fresh dill. I love having extra dill, so if you're a fan of dill, feel free to add extra. And next, it's time for some garlic. You can add 4 to 6 cloves of garlic. I like to use a microplaner, but you could also use a garlic press. You need to grate this garlic into the salad. It's going to give it so much incredible flavor. Next, we need a little squeeze of lemon juice. About a tablespoon of lemon juice. A tablespoon of white wine vinegar, about a tablespoon of a good quality olive oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1.5 teaspoons of sea salt, a touch of ground black pepper, and that's it. We just toss this all together. Make sure the cucumbers are well coated in that garlic and all the seasonings. Once you have everything tossed together, let the salad stand at room temperature for about 15 to 20 minutes and then dig in to enjoy. The salad is also fantastic with some tomatoes or chopped avocados or both. My personal favorite is the cucumbers because they're so crunchy and refreshing. Let's scoop ourselves up a little bowl of this incredible salad, and this goes so well with just about any main entree. I've been having it with some roasted chicken, a little bit of steak on the side. It's just so delicious and garlicky and refreshing. Let's dig in to enjoy. I am obsessed with this salad. It's so crunchy and garlicky and delicious. You are going to love it. There is so much incredible flavor packed into this simple salad. The garlic, the lemon, the fresh dill, all tossed together with those refreshing cucumbers. This salad is going to be a winner every single time. Head on down into my video description box for all the recipe details up on my website for you. Thank you so much for watching my latest episode, and I'll see you next time with a new recipe.